fashion culture, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video you'll be notified. As you can see by the title, we're doing a unboxing. If you watched my last vlog, you know that I did a little bit of shopping at Louis Vuitton. I picked up some boots that I've really been wanting, so this is the unboxing version of that video. That video was just showing you guys me trying. Every time I try to be great, you know. But that video was just me you know, trying them on and seeing them in the store. This video I'm showing you guys more a detailed look of them and, you know, telling you guys the price and everything. So I really don't do disclaimers on my channel because I do put it in every single description box of the videos that I upload, and saying that this channel is not a bragging channel or anything, but I do upload luxury videos. I don't upload them all the time. I do upload, you know, sometimes a little haul or something like that, but I really don't feel like I need to disclaim anything, you know. I like luxury things, and just like any other video, whether it's $5 or $500 or $5,000, mention the price. You're an influencer or you're a vlogger. People want to know, so I am going to mention the price. I guess I would say this is not to brag in any sort of way, but I'm kind of not going to do any more disclaimers because if you don't like luxury videos, why are you watching them? Let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to be unboxing the Louis Vuitton desert boots. These are the ones that came out this year, about a month ago, a little over a month ago. So let's get started. So I don't even think the bag is going to be able to fit in the frame because it's so freaking big, but hold on, over my little setup. This is the bag. This is the box that the boots come in. Let's see what's inside. I don't even have room to like move you guys because my backdrop is literally right behind me. So in the box, the first thing that you get is Louis Vuitton dust bags. So you get two, obviously. So yeah, you get the Louis Vuitton dust bags. You get two, obviously. And the other thing that comes with in the box is like the care booklet. If I can find it. It tells you all about, you know, the shoes, the textiles and such. So then you get, so these are the Louis Vuitton, what is the actual name? Oh, Patch Heart. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. The Patch Heart desert boot. So I wish this right here was like the design too. I think that would have been fire. Like all this right here. Whew, that would have been fire. But I really like them. I think they'll be perfect for like, you know, days in like New York City and stuff like that. I like to go to New York City. I don't live there anymore, but yeah, so be perfect to walk in them, to wear them there. So I don't know what to say about them. They're just so cute and I just love them so much. So here's a detailed look on the patches that are on the boot. And then here's a detailed look at the little detailing on the back. So yeah, I think these are so cute. A lot of people were saying that they are very uncomfortable. I mean, I haven't really worn them at all, but I've worn them in the store and I wore them around the house, and I don't find them uncomfortable. I do think you may want to go a size up, or you may want to double check your sizing when wearing these, because they are like a little bit narrow, as you can see. So if you have more of a wide foot like I do, it might be smart to check your sizing. So this is what they look like. And what I really like about these is that they don't have like typical laces. Shoelaces for these shoes are leather cord, so they're not like, you know, typical standard. I just think they're a very like well constructed boot, and even though they're designer, you don't have to like worry so hard about getting them messed up. I mean, they are like suede right here, but suede is not that hard to clean. Obviously you don't want to destroy them, but the boot is very well constructed. It's like such a well-made boot, and it's very like durable. So I think even though they are very expensive, they're practical, and they're something that you can wear, you know, throughout the year. Obviously you can't wear them like in the summer. Well, a lot of people do wear them in the summer. It wouldn't be something that you would be able to wear daily, but a lot of people wear them to like Dubai and stuff like that, or in the desert. So they are year-round shoes, but you know, they're not a daily shoe. But even though they aren't a daily shoe, I do think they are very, very, very practical. So again, I'm super obsessed with them. The insides obviously have nothing in it because you can't really see that, but I love, love, love the shoe. Okay, so let's talk about the price. This is the envelope that the receipt comes in, and then it looks like this. So I got these boots from the Short Hills Mall. I think I said that in the vlog. If I didn't, that's where I got them from. I used to work at Short Hills Mall at the Sephora. So earlier in the video, I think I called them the Patch Heart. They're called the Black Heart desert boot, but yeah. They were $1,350, so $1,350, and really expensive, but I think they are worth it. Here's what the receipt looks like. Not going to get too close because it does say some personal information, but yeah, I think the boot is amazing. I think I'm personally going to get a lot of use out of it. I have not worn them yet, but I don't go that many places where I can, you know, dress up, and I'm not going to wear them just running errands and doing, you know, my daily routines or whatever. So when I do wear them, let me know in the comments if you guys would like a lookbook. I can include them in a lookbook, or I can do a lookbook, you know, involving outfits just for this boot in particular. I'm really excited to wear them. If you have any questions or anything about sizing, please feel free to leave it down below, and I'll be happy to answer it for you guys. As always, comment, rate, subscribe. Mwah. Bye dolls, stay fab.